In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 0x8007003B something went wrong on Microsoft Store, Xbox app on Windows, 11 tenths, the 0x8007003B error on Microsoft Store or Xbox app usually appears when a download, update, or installation fails due to network issues, corrupted cache, or temporary system glitches. It's a common problem when downloading large apps or updates, but it can be resolved with a few straightforward steps. Start by checking your internet connection. A slow or unstable network often triggers this error, especially when the download is large. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection if possible. Next, try resetting the Microsoft Store cache. Press Win plus R. In here, type ws reset exe like this and hit enter. This will clear the cache and reopen the store automatically. For the Xbox app, you can reset it by going to Settings by pressing Windows plus I keys. Now, click on Apps, go to Apps and Features. Now, find Xbox among all these apps. Go ahead and press on Advanced Options. Now, click on Reset. If the error persists, ensure your Windows is up to date. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and check for updates. Sometimes outdated system files cause conflicts with Microsoft Store or Xbox services. Another key fix is to re-register the Microsoft Store. Open PowerShell as administrator and enter the following command: get Apex package, all users, Windows Store, vertical bar, for each, add Apex package, disable development mode, register, $$ install location, Apex manifest, XML, the way you see in here. This reinstalls and re-registers the store without affecting your apps or data. Finally, check your antivirus or firewall settings. Some third-party antivirus programs block Store or Xbox app connections, causing 0x8007003B. Temporarily disable your antivirus or whitelist the apps to see if that resolves the issue. Following these steps usually fixes the error and allows downloads or updates to complete normally. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.